In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from Xero to QuickBooks Online. We'll use a dedicated migration tool to make the move smooth, accurate, and as hands-off as possible. Before we start, have administrator access to both your Xero organization and your QuickBooks Online company, and be clear on the reporting period you want to bring over. It also helps to have key reports handy from Xero, like your trial balance and aged receivables and payables, so you can verify results later. First, head to the Data Switcher contact page. This is the entry point they use to guide you into a supported conversion flow. On that page, click Get Started. This opens the migration intake process, which asks a few questions so the system can set up the right pathway and eligibility checks. Take your time with each screen. Clear, accurate information here minimizes back and forth and keeps your migration timeline predictable. Next, choose Migration Request. You're signaling that you want a full company conversion rather than general support. The tool will then present fields that tailor the process to your situation, such as your region and accounting system specifics. When you reach the option to identify your current accounting system, select Xero. This ensures the tool uses the correct data model and mapping rules for things like contacts, chart of accounts, tax settings, and document numbering. You'll then see I want to convert to. Choose QuickBooks Online. This tells the service to build your target company files and mappings for QuickBooks Online structure, including account types, list limits, and format conventions. If you already have a QuickBooks Online subscription and empty company ready, keep that login nearby. If not, you can still proceed and connect when prompted. Selecting the right destination now avoids rework later. Click Next and complete the steps on screen. Typically, you'll authorize a secure connection to Xero, pick the organization you're moving, connect to your QuickBooks Online company, and confirm the data range to convert. You may be asked about attachments, tracking categories, or how to handle inactive contacts and items. Review the summary carefully, confirm your contact details for status updates, and submit. The service will process your data and notify you when it's ready to review. When the migration completes, sign into QuickBooks Online and spot check your trial balance, profit and loss, balance sheet, and AR and AP aging against the same reports from Xero for the same date. Look for matching totals, correct tax settings, and clean opening balances. If anything looks off, use the migration report and contact the service for adjustments. That's it. Your move from Xero to QuickBooks Online is complete.